Little storyteller.
A little space dog with floppy ears and a bright red collar, Astro-Pup, zoomed in his tiny spaceship towards a sparkly blue and green planet. He landed with a gentle bump in a field of soft, bouncy grass that tickled his nose. Suddenly, he saw a parade coming. Fluffy bunnies, as yellow as sunshine, hopped by. They were the Sunny Bunnies, and their fur shimmered like warm light. They bounced and made cheerful squeaks. Behind them floated giant, gentle rain whales. Their skin was the color of soft gray clouds, and tiny droplets of sparkling water rained from their spouts. They hummed a calming tune. Astro-Pup wagged his tail excitedly. A sunny bunny with extra fluffy ears stopped in front of him. "Hello," squeaked the bunny. "We are having our daily weather parade." Then a small rain whale with big, kind eyes gently nudged Astro-Pup with its nose. "Today will be sunny, then a little shower," it rumbled softly. The sunny bunnies hopped into a big circle, forming a bright yellow sun shape. The rain whales floated above them and made a small, gentle cloud. Astro-Pup barked happily and jumped up and down, watching the amazing weather parade. He learned that, even though sunshine and rain are different, they both help the plants and animals on the planet.
Please subscribe. Thank you.